Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Berrily, Stepford Airport Parkway and Stepford Airport Central. This train is formed of 12 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train.
This is St Helens Bridge. This train is for Stepford Airport Central. The next station will be Berrily.
We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. Platform 2 for the 13:16 Stepford Express, service to Stepford Central. Calling at Stepford Central only. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located.
Welcome on board this Airlink service to Stepford Airport
Platform
Central.
1 for the 13:14